Hey there, Nikki Fears here. I just wanted to go over this week a new tool that we have available. It's our home valuation tool through Homebot, which is actually pretty interesting. If you guys look at your emails, there's a little header probably right above us here. It says My Home's Value. And if you click that link, let's see if this will go. It takes you to the Homebot screen where you can register your name, email address, phone number is optional, and then more importantly, your home address. And then you click Get Homebot. So what this does is it enrolls you in this system that sends you an email once a month that will tell you that your new home value estimate is ready. So if you click See Your Value, then you will get a screen that looks like this. So this is saying, this is just a dummy account that I have set up, but it says this particular home value. If you look at the screen right here, it says your current mortgages. The original mortgage was at $153,500, started in June of 2009 with a 30-year fixed rate at 4%. And it has a current balance of $131,322,000. And then on this screen, it says the estimated home value is $168,000. And then this kind of shows you the trend line here. But the really cool part of this is that it estimates that means that your net worth of the home to you is about $36,678. Now, these are computer automated estimates, so it's not an exact science, but it will get you a pretty good idea of where you're at net worth wise. One of the cool things that it does is it can help you if you're thinking about doing a refi, some of the pros and cons of refinancing. So you can go in here and get in contact with the lender to see if that would be a good option for you. This area shows you what you've paid so far. So $22,178 has gone towards the principal. $59,355 has gone towards interest, which is pretty terrifying, right? And then it says interest adds up over a 30-year loan. You'll pay $126,114 in interest. Here are some tips to get you ahead. So if you were to refi to save in some interest, right now, this particular scenario, if you were to go to a 15-year fixed rate loan at 2.875% interest rate, you're looking at about a savings of $12,782. And then this is also saying that it would not necessarily recommend a 25-year fixed refi at 3.5% because it's going to actually put you negative on your savings, and same with the 5/1 ARM. Down here is probably my favorite part of the system. This will help you calculate if you were to make an additional payment on your mortgage every month, what that would shave off of your lifetime of your loan. So in this particular loan, if you were to, it's about $950 a month, I think is what it works out to be. So if you were to make one extra payment, if you were to pay an extra $950 a month, then you would be saving $45,522 and shaving off about 12 years of your loan. So that's pretty awesome. If you were also thinking about possibly using this particular property as an Airbnb, this can help you kind of calculate what your income could look like and how you could offset some of your mortgage payments that way. This particular property is showing obviously variable rates throughout the year, but overall it's averaging about $178 per night, give or take, depending on occupancy, how nice it is. I think if you drop it down, right around here, basic is about $100 a night. Nights per month that you'd rent is about 7 is what it's estimating, which puts you an average monthly revenue of $665 with an annual revenue of about $8,000. If you paid that money towards your principal, you'd save about $46,000 in interest, and you'd shave off about 11 years of your loan. So there's lots of really cool tools in here to kind of calculate your net wealth and help you make some decisions on whether it's, time to sell, time to refi, time to upgrade. Lots and lots of cool information here. I really hope you guys take a minute and take advantage of this. It's a pretty in detail and phenomenal tool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip of the week, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. All right, take care.